Hello friends, welcome to our channel once again. So today we are going to design this tall kitchen furniture. See? So if you are new on this channel, please subscribe to our channel to get more. So let's start. Go to File, choose a new part. Select OK. Choose front plane. Select sketch. So choose center line. Start one center line. Yes. Yes. Choose line. Line. Start one line. Yes. Yes. Select this. Select this midpoint of the control key with this center line, making them coincident. Yes. Choose smart dimension. You decide 400 millimeter. Give this one 600 millimeter. Yes. So select this point of the control key with this origin and this one. So make them horizontal. So now sketch is fully defined. So select this point, come to fillet, sketch fillet. Yes. And this one. So you are going to add fillet of 30 radius. So yes. Okay. So now exit sketch. See. Exit sketch. So choose top plane. Normal. Choose top plane, sketch. Choose top plane, normal. So choose the circle, select circle, draw one circle. Okay, to this line. Then dimension this circle, give it 25 diameter. Yes. So select this circle, offset of 1.5 millimeter. Click this reverse. You see. Then say yes. Then rotate. So go to features, choose this suite or base, select this one and sketch, and then select this line. See? Say yes. Then my pipe now is ready. This pipe is ready. So go to reference geometry, choose plane. So then select this front plane. See? Then add distance of 300 millimeter. See? Say yes. then go to mirror, plane to mirror, plane 1, yes. So body to mirror, choose this one and cancel this merge solid, then say yes. Okay, so you see, then select plane, hide. So go to plane, top plane, go to reference geometry, choose plane, then select top plane. So add distance of 20, you see, say yes. Select this plane, normal, select plane, sketch. So choose center line, okay, choose center rectangle, start from this origin, see this origin or center line, this one, okay. Select this line, hold Ctrl key, with this one, make it collinear, yes. Choose center line, okay. Select this one, Ctrl key, with this, make them collinear, yes. So go to features, extrude, extrude up to 80 millimeter, cancel this merge cell, see, then say yes. Select this face, go to share, share of 1.5 millimeter, yes, then say yes. Look. So select this plane, go to reference plane, okay. So then add distance of 215 millimeter, then say yes. Select this plane, normal, select plane 3, sketch. So go to convert entity, select this outer line, this one, with this one, the line, with this one. So then say yes. That. So go to features, extrude, extrude up to 30 millimeter, yes. Say yes. So select this surface, go to shell of 1.5 millimeter, say yes. You see, now this is nice. So go to data migration. You see this data migration to move this one up to some distance. If you don't have this data migration here, select this one and go to tab and add, select this data migration here. Yes, so then choose this move copy body, select this one. You see, then you are going to move it, select this y direction. You are going to move along 250 millimeter, and make sure you have selected this copy, isn't it? You are going to copy along this distance, so make sure this copy is selected. Yes, you see, then say yes, otherwise it will remove. So make sure the copy is selected, so say okay. So you see this is nice. Select the plane, hide. So select this face, normal. Select this face, sketch. Choose circle. Draw one circle here. Okay. Smart dimension. Give this 30 diameter. Okay. So go to features, extrude cut, apply and condition blue all. See, then say yes. Select this one, select this cutout. So go to linear partner, select this edge. See, add distance 40, and increase this one 45. Say yes. Nice. So select this cutout also. Go to linear partner, choose linear partner, select this one. So increase the number of partner, then say yes. So friends, this is how to design some kitchen furniture, like stand in the kitchen or trolley in the kitchen. So I hope you have liked it. So make sure you have subscribed to our channel to get more. So friends, thank you.